This is indescribable. "2012 is not even an end or begin date. That's just a fallacy. It's a metaphor. It's meant for people to look beyond that, and that's what they should start doing about 2012. Go away. Go away. "2012 is a catalyst of unification of a lot of people where they should live what they believe regardless of their religion or whatever, instead of believing in it. If you could see God in the flower, then you don't need to believe in the flower if it's sitting in front of you. If a person believes in all this beautiful stuff, but they go and do ugly things, that is the fruit of their works. Faith without works or works without faith is dead. We get so distracted with all this technology, which technology has its practical uses, but sometimes technology uses us. And we, by nature, create distractions so we don't have to face ourselves, so we don't sit in that moment of silence that we call boredom and really get to know ourselves, so we don't feel comfortable in our skins. And when we do, we live in balance with the earth because the earth reacts. Everything has a spirit, and when a person contemplates the spirit and everything, their behavior follows accordingly. So when we're out of balance, Mother Earth is out of balance. When we're at peace, Mother Earth is at peace. So I think we just need to start having more compassion towards each other, and be more open to the possibilities, and just, instead of just saying, oh, that's a bunch of bull, be receptive. I wish each and every one of you peace in your heart. So within, so without, have compassion on yourself.